Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to drive slowly. In this video, I'll be going over 6 tips for slow drivers. Listen, I am not an advocate of driving slowly, but there are some times in which it is a good idea to drive slowly. For instance, if it's snowing outside and it's snowing really hard, and it's not safe to drive at regular speed to a place, but it is safe to drive slowly, then maybe you need these tips. If you are just a slow driver, like I said, I'm not an advocate for that, but these tips will still work for you too. Now let's get right to it. Tip number 1 is allow enough time. If it would regularly take you, 15 minutes to get somewhere at regular speed, you want to practically double that if you're driving slowly. That's because you're driving slowly, but if you're driving in bad snowy conditions or slow driving conditions, then everyone else is going to be driving slowly too. So tip number 1 is to allow enough time. I would say to double the time that you usually would need, if not at least 1.5 times the amount of time, okay? Tip number 2 is to figure out a safe speed. If the regular speed limit for a street is 50 kilometers an hour and it is slow driving conditions, and you want to just drive slowly because you're simply a slow driver, then you might want to look at going 25 or 30 kilometers an hour. You want to look at what is the safe speed for driving. Okay, now the safe speed isn't always the slowest possible speed. If the speed limit is 50, the safe speed isn't 10 kilometers an hour if you can actually drive 20 or 30 kilometers an hour safely. So you have to figure out what is the actual safe speed. Okay, you want to go around the safe speed. Do not exceed what you consider to be the safe speed. Tip number 3 is accelerate slowly. Now, if you are either, like I said, in bad driving conditions or you're just a slow driver, you want to accelerate slowly. There's no point in being a slow driver if you're going to floor the gas pedal to 20 kilometers an hour and then stop there. Accelerate slowly. This way you smoothly get to the slow driving speed that you want to achieve, okay? Tip number 4 is to brake slowly. Now, this is especially true if you're driving in snowy conditions or any, roads that are, unsafe to drive at regular speeds or at high speeds on. You want to make sure that you brake slowly, okay? Now, braking is the most important thing. So make sure that you brake, period. But braking slowly will ensure that you do it smoothly. And it's actually safer to brake slowly because you're planning in advance. You can always press the brake pedal harder if you need to. So braking slowly ensures that you leave yourself that leeway of being able to press the brake pedal harder if you need to, okay? Tip number 5 is to turn smoothly. Now, if you're driving slowly, it's actually harder to turn when you're driving slowly than at regular speeds. But if you're driving in bad conditions like snow on the road or anything like that, then what you need to do is make sure that you're turning smoothly. You don't want to be turning and, you're jumping back and forth. That's not a good way to learn how to drive slowly. You want to learn how to drive slowly at the same time as turning smoothly, okay? Now, the slower that you're driving, the slower that you're going to have to actually turn the steering wheel. If you're driving fast, you're going to have to turn the steering wheel quickly. If you're driving slowly, you're going to have to turn the steering wheel slowly, okay? Last but not least, tip number 6, and I think that this is the most important thing, is allow others to pass. Now, this is especially true if you're just a slow driver on regular roads. You want to give everybody else enough space and time to pass you. Listen, if you want to drive slowly and someone else wants to drive faster, even if the road conditions are bad, if that person wants to drive faster and it's sort of too fast to be safe, then you know what? You can't stop them. Stopping them, trying to stop them from passing you is probably going to put you at risk of getting into an accident. So just let others pass. If someone else wants to drive faster than you, whether it's safe to do so or not, whether, it's snowy conditions and it's unsafe, or you're just driving slowly and they just want to pass you, just let them pass you. Allow enough room to pass, okay? And that's basically it. In this video, I have gone over how to drive slowly. I've gone over 6 tips for slow drivers. Once again, I'm not an advocate of driving slow when you don't have to drive slow. So if you're just a slow driver, period, even in regular road conditions, then these tips will still help you. But these tips are also meant for, people that are driving slowly in bad road conditions, that they know that it's not safe to drive at regular speeds, but it is safe to drive at slow speeds. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for driving slowly in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.